My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. This video is very special for all of you, the all NEM XEM holders. If you are a holder of XEM, so this video is going to very special for you. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of the XEM coin and what's the high price, what's the currently price change occur in a XEM. I will show you. So before starting this interesting video, friends, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrency markets. Don't forget to subscribe. So friends, first of all, we look the current price of the XEM coin. As you can see here, the USD price of 0.417 went price of XEM at this time. And if we look the change occur in the price in the last 21 day, 2.35% change occur in a XEM coin in the 24 hours. If we look the low price of the XEM, 0.4047 is the low price of the XEM coin, and the high price is for 0.4274 is the high price of XEM coin in the 24-hour, friends. Now let's see the price statistic of the NEM coin. What's the price change goes in a NEM coin? Let's see the price statistics. As you can see here, name price, I also show you price change, also show you high and low price, also show you trading volume of the name coin. As you can see here, a very bad change occur, 22.75% falls down the trading volume of the XEM coin. And if we talk about the market cap of the volume market cap, as 0.05398 is the volume market cap, and same like that the market dominance is 0.18%, and the market rank of the XEM coin is 37 is the market rank of XEM coin at this time. Now friends, let's see the market cap is also falls down. Oh my god, why they are falls down? As you can see here, market cap is falls 2.42% market cap down, and same like that the fully diluted market cap also falls down with a percent of 2.42%. Fully diluted market cap also falls down, friends. Now let's see the price chart of the XEM coin of the last 1 day, friends. That is the all time. Now let's check it out, the last day price chart of the XEM coin. If you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of videos. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is the last 1 day price predictions. As you can see here, they falls down very badly. As you can see here, red line occurs because they falls down, the price is in negative. As you can see here, a very badly falls occur in a XEM coin, friends. So friends, according to the price predictions, my suggestion for you to please hold your XEM coin, because as you can see here now that they are in the negative when they start explosion, when they start jumping, so it's the best time for you to buy XEM coin, and hold your XEM coin at this time. Please hold it, and the future the big pumps, big jump of the XEM coin are coming soon, so wait for it. That will make you a millionaire, that will make for you a good profit. So please hold it. What's your opinion about XEM coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.